Hi, I'm Dr. Mugdha Bandawar, obstetrician and gynecologist working in Pace Hospital, High Tech City, Hyderabad. So today we are here to talk about medical termination of pregnancy, also called as abortion. Deliberate termination of pregnancy before the viability of fetus by medical or surgical method is called as induction of abortion. In many countries, this process of abortion is not a legal method. But in India, in 1971, some laws or one act came up because of which termination of pregnancy is legalized process in India. That name is Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act in 1971. There were many amendments and revision in this act. The recent one was done in 2021. Deliberate termination of pregnancy by a registered medical practitioner in the favor of mother is protected under this act. Various grounds were laid down under which legal termination of pregnancies were possible. There were four important grounds. First was in the favor of mother, where continuation of pregnancy could be causing some grave injury to the physical and mental health of the mother. Like for example, if she is a cardiac patient or some psychiatric illness, or is a patient of epilepsy, a cancer patient, or there are many other reasons. Eugenic reasons in which an ultrasound report is showing for the fetus or the baby to have some anomalies because of which the born kid could be handicapped mentally or physically for life. In such cases, the pregnancy can be terminated at any stage. Now, if a rape victim, whether a minor or a major, can terminate the pregnancy. Now, the last ground was social grounds, in which most of the pregnancies were covered. Like, if the pregnant woman is not wanting or unplanned pregnancy is there, or if there is a failure of contraception, is also covered in this act.